Welcome back to What's in My Bag.
These little clips. I usually have 2 of them. Here they are. I picked these up at Dollar Tree, um, quite a while ago, actually, and I have found these have been so useful. They're not very large. They're colorful, so they're super fun and easy to spot in my bag. But what I will use these for is at the pool, I will use these to keep my towel on the chair. Sometimes the bar of the chair is too thick. You can't really use these. But if you have those fabric lined chairs, then you can just use these and pin your towel on the side at the top to the chair, the fabric of the chair, and that will keep your towel from sliding. Another use case for these is in your room. You typically have curtains in your room, but for some reason, the curtains never close completely flush. And so I overlap the curtains and I will line these up in the curtains, and that helps me to have a room darkening effect so I can sleep in because I'm on vacation. Another use case for these would be in the bathroom. If you want to hang something up from a coat hanger, or you want to hang something up from a shower line so they can dry. A hair pick. Sometimes you'll take a brush or a comb, but I have found because of the handle and because of the size of the tines on here that it's really nice to have in my in-flight essentials bag. I'll carry a brush in my toiletry kit, but in my in-flight essentials bag, sometimes I just need to smooth it out. Or, ladies, in the back of our heads, if we lean back for too long, it creates kind of a space back there and our part separates. So it's nice to smooth that out. But I like to have a little pick in my in-flight essentials bag. Something else I like to keep in my bag is this little flashlight. Again, this goes in my in-flight essentials bag. It's really lightweight, it's small, and when I want to see down in my bag, or if I'm on the airplane and I want to see under the seat, I dropped something, or if I can't find my buckle for the seat belt, or multiple reasons, it's nice to have a little flashlight like this. Something else is it's metal. So my nail file adheres to it. So this is a 2 for 1. I put this in the bottom of my flight essentials bag, and I know exactly where both of these are because this by itself could get lost. But when it's attached to this nice flashlight, it's easier to spot because I can just grab my flashlight. So that's why this flashlight and this nail file have a place in my bag. We appreciate you sticking with us to the end of this video. We share travel tips, packing videos, and tools for navigating the points and miles ecosystem. If this interests you, don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out. Have a great day, and we will see you next time.